Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time, both analog and digital, on a Casio Gshock GA-900 or module 5637. The first step is to put the watch in the time mode by pressing the lower left button few times until you see time on the screen. Press and hold the upper left button for a few seconds until the city code starts blinking on the screen. Use the two buttons on the right side to find your city code or current time zone. If you don't know which one to choose, leave a comment below and I will guide you. Press the lower left button one time and now use the lower right button to turn DST or summertime on or off depending on your time zone. Press the lower left button 3 times and use the two buttons on the right side to set the hour of your local time. Press the lower left button 1 time and again use the two buttons on the right side now to set the minutes. Press the lower left button and you can set the year using the two buttons on the right side. Press the lower left button and now you can set the month. Press the lower left button and now you can set the date. Press the lower left button 3 times and press 1 time on the upper left button to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.